this video is on flippity.net. This is a website that actually has some really cool spreadsheet-based activities, things that you can do. So first of all, I'm going to go into one of these. I'm going to go into this Flippity Fun with Fonts. This is one that I was playing with today because I am a yearbook. I do yearbook instruction. So this would be kind of fun. We were trying to play around with some ideas with our yearbook theme. So with this one, you can put in a list of names. We'll just go with the ones that are already in there. And I'll just hit generate. And then I can pick different ways that I want it to look. So our yearbook theme this year, they're talking about life as a highway. So I can click on the highway and it makes all of the names into road signs. So it's kind of cool how you can use this to do different things like that, or license plates. So they all look like different license plates. So that's kind of fun. But there's a lot of really cool different ones that you can do on here. If you want to do a word search, like this is the demo on it, you can just put in your words. So here you could just type in what your words that you want to be, and it generates the word search for you. Different, like this one's a hangman. The gentleman that built this site is actually in the process of redoing some of them. So the ones that are kind of grayed out a little bit, that aren't as bright, those are ones that he's working on getting redone for because he had to rework some of the stuff. But there's a quiz show one if you need like a random name picker for a class. There's just lots of really fun ones. If you need certificates printed for a class, so say your class all did something great and you wanted to do something, this one says top comedies, for instance, so you could just type in a name and oh, this is a quiz, so like you can make it a quiz and then it prints it out. So so that's fun. You can do in here, this is a little quiz that you can go through and pick out different things. You can make a little quiz, and then at the end of it, it should print a certificate of what they've earned. I'll get to the end here so we can see. So it looks like I didn't get enough of the answers right to get my certificate, but if you got enough, then it would print you a really cool certificate. So there's just lots of little fun things that are on here, pre-made activities that would make it easy if you were looking for maybe assignments for like emergency subs. Maybe you could create a word scramble or a word search or something that your students could work on while you were gone. So I think there's a lot of neat things that you could do with this.